Good day, computer vision professionals. This is Computer Vision Stream and I'm your host Anton, and today we will see how to create RTSP streams from videos. That might be useful for multiple reasons. First, we can test our deep stream pipeline against RTSP stream. Then we can test end-to-end video analysis, including both video processing and decoding of the RTSP stream that we usually use for connecting to CCTV cameras. Also, we can play with interruption of this RTSP stream to check real life use cases. And lastly, we can set up a local demo with different RTSP stream and easily switch between one stream or another. For today's session, we will use NVstreamer provided by NVIDIA, which implements the functionality of streaming different videos as RTSP streams. We will see two different setups on Jetson device and on normal server. First thing, we need to download NVstreamer, which we can find in Jetson platform services in NGC catalog. If we go to the file browser, we can download NVstreamer archive. After downloading NVstreamer archive and unpacking it, we will have a Docker Compose file and all the necessary configuration to run our NVstreamer. To run our NVstreamer, we can just Docker Compose app, and after a couple of minutes of downloading of the image, we will have our NVstreamer configured and available on the port 31000. Here we see that by default we have one streamer device that is configured and 0 video files. In order to add the RTSP stream with your video file, go to File Upload and drag a video file in the format of H264. When the file will be uploaded, we will have an RTSP stream available for consumption. After successful upload, go to Dashboard, and here you can find the RTSP URL that you can open in your deep stream pipeline, in VLC, or in FFplay. Let's test it from the local computer. FFplay, RTSP URL, and we see that it is working. Now we can see how to open and install NVstreamer on normal server. We can use exactly the same archive with configuration files, and I have adapted these two commands from official documentation to use exactly the same configuration as we have on a Jetson device, except that we will use another Docker image. Let's set up a streamer without GPU support. We have NVstreamer folder. And our NVstreamer should be set up and accessible on the same port 31000. So you will be able to add you will be able to add same video files and consume them by finding this RTSP URL in the dashboard. We can check that the RTSP stream is available for your testing or for your local demo. In the README available on the GitHub repository, I also added a couple of other RTSP streaming servers that you can try if NVstreamer will not cover all the basic needs. Thank you for your attention, and I will see you in the next videos.